How to use external API. Choose External API for the backend service. Click Add a new API. Enter a name and corresponding description for the API connection. Click Save to proceed. Then click Add Domain. Enter the base URL that links eMOBIQ AI to the target external API. This URL serves as the foundation for all API requests made from your application atop the external service. Next, select the appropriate authentication type based on your external API's requirements. Depending on the method your API uses, you'll need to provide the corresponding credentials. There are 5 supported authentication types, which are API Key, Basic Authentication, Bearer Token, JSON Web Token, JWT Bearer, and Open Authorization 2.0. Once the domain and authentication are configured, you can define specific functions or endpoints to interact with the external API. Let's try to create new function. These instructions guide the AI on how to correctly use your credentials during the app generation process, essentially telling the AI exactly how to log in or access the necessary data. Once your domain and authentication are set, define the specific API functions by specifying the method, name, and path for each function. Next, configure your request, including any necessary parameters, headers, or body data. Finally, provide clear instructions to guide the AI on how to use this function effectively. Before integrating your API into the application, make sure it's working correctly. Use the test function to send a sample request. A successful test will return a 200 OK or 201 created status, confirming that your connection and function execution are working as expected. For larger or more complex integrations, eMOBIQ AI simplifies the process of importing your API definitions. You can directly import them using a schema file, such as an OpenAPI 3.0 schema. This single file comprehensively describes all your API's endpoints and data structures. Once uploaded, eMOBIQ AI automatically populates all your functions and their corresponding details, streamlining your setup. Sometimes, not all data returned by an API is required by your application. You can refine the response to improve performance and clarity. Use the Map Response feature to filter or transform the JSON structure returned by the API. Select or deselect via the checkboxes. Or click Edit to remove them to ensure the AI doesn't use it. This is essential in helping the project be generated quicker and ensuring that only usable API information is available when creating the app. Ensure all tests are run and every function shows a green pass status. If any red indicators appear, investigate and resolve the issues promptly. You can also manually fill out the schema form to define the API structure directly within the platform. Functions will be generated based on the schema. This approach is ideal for APIs that don't offer downloadable schema files, but still require formal documentation. Orange Cloud. Now everyone can build apps.